When me box you today, I can't go back on a podcast, go talk tomorrow. Because the people them go laugh after you. So him box him, and let me tell you now, it could be, this is an allegation, it could be that when him get the box at the time they know, him we laugh, and so good boy, we laugh back. It can be the producer where we laugh back, like in surprise, like him a say shit. Him bang, So he could be the one that fired first, and then fire back, and him run, go to the police. Because in that moment, you lick me, me have to defend myself, because no boy now box me and he go so. It can be no video camera no there. And when me go lay down on a hospital bed because you end up make a shot reach me have the upper hand now because me don't have a license. Because what people don't understand is,
Hold on.
Wait, Javy more in a problem if he is a licensed firearm holder. When you are a licensed firearm holder, you have an express ticket for go to prison. If you're an unlicensed firearm holder, you will get away with things because now he can't tell a lie because he named the registered to the firearm. So he can't tell a lie and say, I want your man them thing. It's not my thing because me name the register to it.
Hold on, man, me have information. Hold on. Let me for everybody where listen.
Known as Jaii Frais, is now in popular podcaster Jaii, also known as Jaii Frais, is now in hospital under police guard following a dramatic shooting incident after carnival festivities on Sunday night at the Ranny Williams Entertainment Center in St. Andrew. Reports indicate that 3 people were injured during the chaos, among them an innocent bystander and another man believed to be part of an entertainer's entourage, who is currently in critical condition and undergoing surgery. According to police sources, music producer and manager Javy Ambassador Morrison is also in custody as investigations continue. What's being reported so far is that Jaii Frais had just left the restroom at the event when he was allegedly attacked by a group of men. During the confrontation, at least 2 firearms were drawn. One, a Glock 9mm pistol reportedly licensed to Morrison, was taken during the altercation. The other firearm was later handed over to police by Jaii Frais, who claims he disarmed one of his attackers. At this time, no charges have been laid as authorities continue to piece together exactly what unfolded. Popular
You see what we are talking about? Kira.
Mm-hmm.
You see the gun there? And a Javy gun have a problem,
Mm-hmm.
And the gun where
Then that me I tell you.
Give the police them,
Then that me I tell you, and that's why me I tell you say no. You see, if me use that, me go say to myself, say, hey, me have to get rid of this. And them first box me, and me I go tell them, say, listen, this is enough for me. And them me take it from because my name not registered to it. How you get it? How you get a unlicensed firearm? Can I say something?
Hold on 1 minute there, mama. Hold on there. Wait. Mute 1 minute there. Kira, hold on there, look at me.
No problem.
All right. Kill quick, come through.
Yeah, but so me there, I listen everything, I read, I look on everything though, brother, but you see, even I'm start right this part here, just leave here, I think. But I say, even if that illegal, if it go both ways. If he even did disarm a man will have for him license. Now that him come in possession of that, it would have deemed illegal and I feel him hand same way. Because he never have that, if that's a license.
No, hold on. But him at the moment don't know that it's illegal. So we can't use that against him because even though it's illegal, and me, if me said to you, if me said to the police, say, me wrestle you and take away one illegal gun from you and bust it back on you. You don't have no bearings for me.
Yeah. In that case, it's like the illegal part time now really make no sense just because based on how everything play out. It's not like you left a yard, and left in there safe, with somebody when I have a license for themselves, it's something for themselves, same way, you know, where you can say, alright, but me, I make one week move and come and live in my safe. Him not license to do my thing, but him a film license to film, whatever. But in the case where it happen, basically, they want to sit down and look for. Even if, alright, if I have a Jaii Frais thing right now, license thing, because I say I come to somebody and say, well, like them I say, if the chat no really that bad way when if you use lethal force. But me tell you something, man. So when you come on to, even one person can be a chat here right now. It all boils down to the knowledge where you have about the person and the person experience in other field. Because as we mentioned a name in the comment, if you don't pay attention, if a regular man get attacked right now by a man like, I don't know if you know this actor named Scott Atkins, the level of expertise and qualification the man have when you come on to jitsu and all them if a rare. If them man they hold you for them hand, with them bare hand they can kill it. You see a man like that, if him attack you in our area where restricted where you can look for yourself and you have your licensing and you use it. I have a good attorney, nothing can come out of it. You don't need to get attacked with a machete and knife or by 20 man to use that. So when you come down the chat, it's not about you being attacked by 20 man. I say, oh, here one, right? I feel like I this. I don't say you go. So some people don't really understand this thing when they talk about when to use lethal force. So I'm afraid to use it.
Kill quick. Let me ask you a question. If me have an unlicensed firearm, right?
Yeah.
And me harm you, right? Harm you. And the other person in other group of persons will attack me, draw for them firearm. And I went to a cop and give him the firearm and say, listen,
hold on.
Them people that just attack me, wait, they read it. Them people that just attack me. And me disarm one of them. And me think one of them get pew, right?
Mm-hmm.
And them I say, in the end, they ask, why did you do it? Me go look and say, such person pulled their firearm at me, right? Which is the producer, right? Let's say, for example,
yeah,
the producer pulled at me. I'm gonna say this. Question is gonna ask, how you know the producer have a pew? Because he's supposed to have it concealed.
Well,
You're not supposed to have it exposed. So, right there, so I feel word against him, which is your word against the the producer word against the influencer.
Well,
he said you pulled at him, right? He shouldn't know say you have one.
Hold on. Just somebody send me the police report. Me have a police report. Must say something to me, yeah? This go get worse. I'm not talking about retaliation. I talk about the very fact that Javy can also said the reason why he pulled this firearm is because Jaii Frais pulled an illegal firearm or pulled his firearm at him. So he pulled out his firearm and shoot at him.
Yeah, but
hey!
No, really, but listen, this is why I said to you, say, his move where he make to actually carry the firearm to the police, even before he got to the hospital, you know. I feel him winning ticket that. Because in that moment, he has the right against the person who him, if it is true or not, say them did have it, he have the right against them to say, listen, y'all attack me. This person run down for me and me disarm him. Slap him with it, carry it to the police because your boss pulled for him something at me. I feed him word against his and him bringing it in before he even went to the hospital, didn't even realize that he got pew-pewed, is his winning ticket against them.
Kira, let me show you something, man. Like I really just said, first thing, Javy can say man pull an illegal firearm. Unless it
Just say
happen.
fire pulling gun. You know, say illegal. We not gonna say illegal. We don't say illegal because that firearm seems to be illegal. But him can say, no, hold on. Him can say, him never show him gun. Him back Jaii Frais, and by backing Jaii Frais dip for a gun. That's why he did for his license firearm. To protect
No, but in
himself.
a moment now, if you go admit to dipping for yours, when his first report was, I saw the producer aim at me. Remember, you know, if you're not planning,
Alright, yes.
if you're not planning to S the person, you know, you shouldn't pull your firearm, right?
Kira, that is Jaii Frais report.
Right.
Again, Javy can say the reason why he pulled his firearm because Jaii Frais pulled gun on him first.
Yes, he can say that.
Well, hold on.
Yes,
Read it.
and upon Jaii Frais firing him fire back.
Let me show you something, man. You see, when you come on to them thing here, you see preliminary report, I really go nowhere. Let me make that clear before. First thing, Jaii Frais can pull first and still in a right. Remember that. Them
But no, hold on.
But he's not in the right because
Hold on.
he's a license firearm holder.
As if Jaii Frais pull first with one illegal
he still
gun.
can't have the right.
No.
So
brother.
hold on.
No, man. Yo, bro. Why you
Hold on,
asking?
man.
Listen
Read
now. Listen, no, wait.
Read it.
Hold on.
No, may I say
There
one
is
thing?
no way. First of
all,
all, listen to all the charges. First of all, you cannot bring an illegal gun into a event. That's the first thing.
we don't know if it's illegal yet. I'm gonna keep on talking about that. None of them know if it's going illegal. So we stop saying that. We must stop from saying that.
I read the report.
Hold on, man. It can be illegal.
I read the report, and in the report it stated that Jay is not a legal firearm holder. That Jay is not.
Yes. So a gun don't have to be illegal, but he was in the position of the gun.
But Kill Quick, you're not listening. A two firearm in the incident. Are you listening?
Let me even listen.
Jay had his. Jay, listen, Javy was not disarmed. So there is no way what Jai have would be classified as illegal because I know Javy firearm him disarm. He disarmed somebody else's from the entourage.
Yes, but I am not speaking out of bias. That weapon can be a legal weapon, but the mere fact that he had it, if he is not alive,
because even in the report, it would have reported that it was a legal firearm that was taken from such and such person. It stated a broad, all the way illegal arm.
Yeah, because them class with Javy in the report as a licensed firearm. But the other gun then not classes as any licensed firearm. Because if me all are within one place, me pull my gun and Kira pulling gun, and then we get arrested. But then only say if Kira gun is licensed. What that simply mean? Tell the other gun most illegal. It can't be, we know you're not yet still, but upon the report, nobody no come forward come say this is my gun.
So that is why ballistic go happen. So all we are talking about preliminary, me actually showing some of our experience. If him disarm somebody, that go proof. All the man when disarm me from is nowhere to be found.
But that's what I said first. Ballistic reports is going to have to be the end decider. And if you tell if I even Javy weapon Pew Jay, because we are talking as a Javy
exactly.
You know. But it can be somebody else from the entourage too.
Exactly.
Look here, all I can say is that the entourage is more problem than the man.
No, brother.
No,
again, it can't be. No. Listen. If the numbers are correct, then I problem more than the man. All the man disarm the man use the tool. No, me not. No, me understand the disarm and use it. That is fine. Yes, him in the light if him disarm and use.
And if you disarm them, look at
again. Hold on.
If that's one person.
Hold on, man. Hold on, bro. Boy, listen. Just disarming a man. You think disarming a man so easy and put and click up gun and sit and bust shot easy, sir?
I don't click up. Nobody can walk with a weapon when I charge. That's the first thing. Even if they tell them to do not, them do it. So that night, if a man walk with a tool hat,
Bro, alright. So first of all, in a venue like that, you're not supposed to have no tool hat. So whoever that firearm belongs to, and remember, fingerprint and everything will come off and panny. So if you then go panny and a Jaii Frais fingerprint alone, you're in a trouble.
But that me just said to you, I'm not speaking out of bias. I said that clearly. If, hold on, me just telling you, brother, me been through things that I'm already, I tell you this, if a film lies a tool.
But this is not licensed, bro, you're not listening. The thing about it, I say if I license.
I'm using examples.
Yeah, but it is not licensed. It is already stated that he does not have a
Kill quick, even the person that got injured, right? Which is
I am using
this
examples.
arm.
You can't use example, bro. We are talking about what going right now as example.
But we don't know
example what? You are saying if he licensed.
We do not know what is going on.
But the report would have stated that he is not a owner of any licensed firearm. So you also if he licensed to him.
Bro.
Alright, kill quick. If it was the person.
All we are looking, we are trying to, it's like we are trying to give. We are individually trying to say this man wrong and this man right. What I am talking about is that.
Actually, we are not. We actually are trying to see the story from multiple dimensions.
Shed, what is? Ashida Kerber info. What your name? Come to with your lady. Can't do the long back and forth, you know. No disrespecting nobody. We can't do the long back and forth right now, to be honest. Because it don't make no sense. Alright, this is a lady not there either. Unruly, come through.
Yo. Hey, me I talk based off the official report we push out. Yeah, none of we never did there. You see me?
Exactly,
So it basically, well, we have to just wait until more come out about the story. One gun was identified as being owned by Javy. The other one, them not talk nothing about it. Me say, yo, and in the circumstances, the situation where it using it deemed illegal.
Exactly. It is not.
It's either illegal from the get-go or a smart gun and then I come forward to claim it. I fuck with them.
But one of the thing is, if them take the gun and then run, then go to say it's a licensed firearm.
Yeah. As well as ballistics are going to prove other things.
Whether or not somebody come forward, once them put the gun, the serial number of the gun in the system, they would have seen it is a licensed firearm. So basically, when it comes to boom and run the gun in the system, they don't say no licensed firearm.
See them so.
So I don't know what they talk about and I say could be. If it state that Jaii Frais is not a whole of a licensed firearm, or you have said suppose. Suppose is normal. We don't do suppose, bro. Suppose the nose was a post hole. Where you put the inches there? You can't do that.
I'm going to tell you this.
What we say?
Get the devil in you. I don't think he man have a blood clot illegal gun and go in a party like that. With that.
No, either. We can't even say that either. Unruly.
You say that when the gun gets in. Whether it be for him or not.
Yeah, why we can't say that is if he is aware that Javy have a licensed firearm. And he's probably thinking that, you know what, them boy go try this me now. Any of them boy this me a dirt. Me rather go to prison for a boy than make a boy box me or do me nothing. And he go have a gun. Right? But what he do, I want to understand, you know, what he did was come to boom and do what him do and run to the police and say take care of a man. Quick thinking. He would have already, so what him do too can be premeditated. He must say, them boy a rush me and me bust it on them, you know. Me I run go to the police and tell the police me this time one of the boy and bust it on them. So you have to understand.
There are two aspects to it, you know, guys. Either all you say it, you know, bro, or it go the way or the official report saying.
Exactly.
One out of two, you know.
Him too.
One out of two.
Him too. Yo.
God, they know say Jaii Frais not a smart dude.
Exactly what me just go say. Come on. Quick thinking right there, sir. Hey, me not take no charge for this gun here. One of them me take care of her. You have to prove say none of them me take care of her.
And then after wait, from ballistics to come back. Fingerprinter go come back because everybody there fingerprinted. You see me? And first thing and next thing, Javy there wrong trying to get you. You go back up the blood team and they aggravate the man. You see me? Nah, take no side in that whole thing, but you see the man saying go piss and come out, and when he come out, you see them and they boxing.
Yeah, you know what? You know why me a pick side? I'm gonna tell you straight up, and I'm not grow no corner and come back round none. Me a pick side because me is a vlogger too. And you may want to do the same thing to me. So I want people to take this as an example to say, when we say something on the media, don't see us outside and try to disrespect us because we say something that you don't like. Leave it alone. If we have this little social media, little beef, make it stay away there. And you go about your business and me go about mine.
We live in a day and age where them take this media thing and make it affect them real life. So right around, man, if you this a man online, it's like you can't go a certain place. But when you book him, you don't say man want different.
Read it, me can read the nationwide